Classic wooden creations have long held a special place in the hearts and homes of people around the world. Their enduring appeal lies not just in their aesthetic qualities, but also in their practical functionality, emotional resonance, and cultural significance. As society continues to evolve, the role of these wooden masterpieces remains relevant, serving as a testament to craftsmanship, tradition, and sustainability. In modern lives, classic wooden creations bridge the gap between the past and the present, offering both timeless beauty and practical utility. Wooden creations have been a part of human history for millennia, from ancient structures to intricate furniture pieces. Their long-standing presence in various cultures highlights the universal appreciation for wood as a material that is both versatile and durable. Classic wooden items, whether they are handcrafted furniture, decorative pieces, or utilitarian objects, possess a unique charm that speaks to the artistry and skill of the craftsman. The beauty of wood lies in its natural grains, textures, and hues, which can evoke a sense of warmth and comfort in any setting. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of classic wooden creations that will make you look twice. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In a world increasingly dominated by synthetic materials and mass production, the authenticity of classic wooden creations stands out, offering a tangible connection to nature and craftsmanship. In many ways, classic wooden creations are a celebration of human ingenuity and resourcefulness. The craftsmanship involved in creating these pieces often requires years of training, experience, and dedication. Artisans who specialize in woodworking understand the nuances of different wood types, the intricacies of joinery, and the balance between form and function. This level of expertise is reflected in the quality and durability of the finished products. In an age where consumerism often prioritizes quick and disposable solutions, classic wooden creations remind us of the value of investing in well-made items that can last for generations. The role of classic wooden creations in modern lives extends beyond mere aesthetics. They serve as functional pieces that enhance everyday living. A well-crafted wooden table can become the centerpiece of family gatherings, fostering connections and memories shared over meals. Wooden chairs provide not just seating but comfort and support, encouraging relaxation and conversation. In this way, these creations contribute to the overall quality of life, enhancing the experiences we share with loved ones. The tactile nature of wood invites touch and interaction, creating an emotional bond with the objects we use daily. Moreover, classic wooden creations often carry stories and histories that add depth to their significance. Each piece can represent a moment in time, a tradition passed down through generations, or a memory associated with a particular event. When individuals acquire or inherit wooden items, they are not just obtaining furniture, they are embracing a legacy. This emotional connection fosters a sense of belonging and continuity, linking individuals to their heritage and cultural roots. In a rapidly changing world, where technology and lifestyles evolve at a dizzying pace, these timeless creations offer a reassuring reminder of our shared history and values. Sustainability is another critical aspect of classic wooden creations that resonates with modern sensibilities. As environmental concerns become more pressing, many consumers are seeking eco-friendly alternatives to mass-produced, synthetic items. Wood is a renewable resource, and when sourced responsibly, it can be part of a sustainable lifestyle. Classic wooden creations often embody principles of sustainability, as they are typically made from high-quality materials that can endure the test of time. By investing in well-crafted wooden furniture or decor, individuals contribute to a more sustainable future, supporting artisans who prioritize ethical practices and environmentally friendly materials. In addition to sustainability, classic wooden creations promote a slower, more intentional approach to living. The fast-paced nature of contemporary life often leads to a focus on convenience and instant gratification, sometimes at the expense of quality and craftsmanship. Classic wooden pieces encourage individuals to take a step back and appreciate the artistry involved in their creation. This appreciation fosters mindfulness and a deeper connection to the items we choose to surround ourselves with. In a world filled with distractions, classic wooden creations invite us to slow down, reflect, and engage with our environments in a more meaningful way. The aesthetic versatility of classic wooden creations also plays a significant role in modern interior design. From rustic farmhouse styles to sleek contemporary aesthetics, which can complement various design preferences. Its natural beauty and adaptability allow it to blend seamlessly into a wide range of settings. Wooden pieces can evoke warmth and coziness in a home while also serving as striking focal points in more modern spaces. This versatility makes classic wooden creations a smart investment for individuals looking to create timeless interiors that can evolve with changing trends. Furthermore, classic wooden creations often serve as conversation starters, enriching social interactions. A beautifully crafted wooden table or an intricately designed chair can spark discussions about craftsmanship, artistry, and sustainability. These pieces can serve as a bridge between individuals, fostering connections through shared appreciation for the beauty of handmade items. In an age where meaningful conversations can sometimes feel rare, classic wooden creations provide an opportunity for individuals to engage in dialogue about the values and stories behind the objects they cherish. In the realm of craftsmanship, the resurgence of interest in traditional woodworking techniques has given classic wooden creations renewed significance. Many contemporary artisans are revisiting age-old methods of joinery, carving, and finishing, honoring the skills of previous generations while incorporating modern sensibilities. This blend of tradition and innovation results in unique pieces that reflect both the heritage of woodworking and the evolving tastes of today's consumers. The revival of these techniques not only preserves valuable knowledge, but also inspires a new generation of woodworkers to explore the craft and create their own classic wooden creations. Classic wooden creations also play a role in fostering local economies and supporting small businesses. Many artisans and craftspeople rely on the sale of their handmade wooden items to sustain their livelihoods. By choosing to invest in classic wooden creations, consumers support these small businesses and contribute to the preservation of traditional craftsmanship. This economic impact extends beyond individual artisans. It can stimulate local communities and promote a culture of handmade goods, encouraging a shift away from mass-produced items that often dominate the market. In addition, the act of creating or customizing classic wooden projects can be immensely fulfilling. Many individuals find joy in woodworking, whether as a hobby or a profession. The process of crafting wooden pieces from scratch allows for self-expression and creativity. Engaging in this hands-on activity can be therapeutic, providing a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. For those who choose to personalize their wooden creations, the results often carry a deeper meaning, as they reflect individual tastes and aspirations. This creative outlet can enhance overall well-being, fostering a sense of purpose and fulfillment in one's life. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked classic wooden creations that will make you look twice. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.